There are hundreds of crypto platforms out there in 2026. So how do you actually decide which one is worth your time and, well, your money? I think it comes down to 5 things: experience, security, features, risk controls, and what you actually get as a new user. So today, let's put BTCC through all 5 and see how it stacks up. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Let's start with the fundamentals, right? Because before you look at any feature, you want to know what the platform is actually going to be next year. BTCC was established in 2011. That's over a decade in this industry. And in crypto, that alone puts it in a very, very small group. Today, BTCC serves more than 12 million users across more than 100 countries, and here's the part that matters the most to me. BTCC reports 0 hacks since launch, as in 0. On top of that, their Bitcoin reserves have stayed above 130% in 2026, according to their reported proof of reserves. So that's not just your funds covered, that's a buffer on top. They've also picked up industry recognition along the way, including the best centralized exchange in 2025 from Bell Crypto. So credibility, you may ask? That box is definitely checked. But a great exchange also needs features that make trading actually accessible. And that's where BTCC gets interesting. BTCC's standout feature is copy trading. And if you're new to all of this, this is the part you want to pay attention to. Here's the idea, right? Instead of building a trading strategy completely from scratch, learning every indicator and staring at the charts all day long, you can browse experienced lead traders on the platform and automatically copy their trades, right? And BTCC makes finding them genuinely simple. You can filter traders by their performance, maybe even by their history, by their style, so it matches yours too. There's a top pick section if you don't want to dig through everything yourself. You can choose the trader you like and you set your copy settings the way you prefer. And from there, when they open a position, you will get notified and you will open one too, automatically. So you don't need years of trading experience to actually start exploring this. But I want to be really, really clear here. You are still responsible for understanding the risk. Copying someone doesn't remove the risk, and it definitely doesn't guarantee that you will win all the time. It just changes who's making the decision. Which brings me to the part most videos actually skip. This is my favorite thing about BTCC's copy trading: the risk control, right? Because the key isn't simply finding someone who's made profits, it's deciding how much you're actually willing to risk with trading. If their strategy moves against you, and BTCC gives you real tools for that. First is the mixed margin. You decide exactly how much goes into every single copy trade, the same amount every time, and you have full control. Second is proportional margin. Your position scales in proportion to the traders, so you're following their sizing at your level. And third is the copy trade stop loss for traders. This is very important because you set a limit on a specific trader, and if their losses hit that line, you stop copying them automatically. No emotion, no hoping it turns around, and that's the difference between gambling on someone else's account and actually managing your own downside. Okay, so let's talk about what you get for being new, because right now BTCC is running some genuinely strong offers. The first one is a 50 USDT first copy trade loss coverage. Here's how that works. If you're an eligible new copy trader and your very first copy trade closes at a loss, you can receive up to 50 USDT in trading funds. So your first attempt has a cushion under it. That's about as beginner friendly as it gets. And on top of that, if you sign up using the referral code BTCC2049, you can access the current new users offers. That includes a 10% deposit bonus and up to 30,000 USDT in welcome rewards, depending on the campaign requirements that apply to you. So just to be clear, the code is BTCC2049. Use it at sign up and not after. That's one thing that most people get wrong as well. So here's the final verdict. If you're comparing crypto trading platforms in 2026, BTCC brings a combination that's genuinely hard to find all in one place. A long operating history since 2011, a large international user base, a clean security record, copy trading that beginners can actually use, real risk control tools that are built in, and strong incentives for new users right now. For me, that's a platform worth taking very seriously. So here's what to do. Use referral code BTCC2049 to enjoy the 10% deposit bonus. Claim the 50 USDT first copy trade loss coverage if you're an eligible new copy. And go check the availability for the 30,000 USDT welcome reward. I've put all 3 official links in the description down below so you can go and check them out. Just a reminder, crypto trading carries risk, so only ever trade with what you can afford to lose. And if this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more platform breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.